Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the problem isn't local. Open 3 browsers and a phone to confirm consistent failure, then restart your router and computer to clear transient network state. Once done, clear the browser cache and cookies so stale assets don't mask the issue. Next, check DNS. Swap to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 and inspect your host's file for overrides. These quick actions eliminate most local causes and let you focus on server-side troubleshooting. Now move into diagnostics that reveal where requests fail. You run ping and traceroute to the origin to locate latency or routing breaks. If packet loss appears, contact your ISP or cloud provider. Then inspect server metrics: CPU, memory, disk I/O, and web server logs for 5xx errors. These explain overloads or app crashes. Make sure CDN and firewall rules are healthy, and confirm load balancer pools include healthy targets. Once you identify a bottleneck, prepare to apply. You apply the corrective action based on your diagnosis. Scale instances or horizontal auto-scaling if overwhelmed, restart failing services if a process hung, or roll back the last deploy if a recent change caused the regression. Once done, validate using curl, load the site in a browser, and purge CDN caches to ensure fresh content. If the problem persists, collect comprehensive logs, capture a TCP dump for network analysis, and escalate with the provider including your findings. This troubleshooting step often reveals elusive root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.